ज्यादा शाना मत बन,
ज्यादा
Smart
स्मार्ट
don't
मत
be over smart.
Don't be too smart.
ज्यादा हाँ
चिंदीगिरी,
कंजूसी
Conjuicy.
माइजर
लोचा हो जाना,
गड़बड़.
गड़बड़
सूमड़ी में निकल लेना.
चुपचाप
Quietly.
से निकल लो.
चाप
You guys are scoring.
You know, I used to be married to an actor, and sometimes it just. And I'm dating her again, so yeah.
क्यों मेल ईगो को वो बात खटकनी चाहिए, क्योंकि औरत आपके लिए उतनी खुश होगी अगर आप उस पोजीशन पे जाओ, तो आप क्यों नहीं हो सकते? और घर दोनों की रजामंदी से बीच में कहीं मिडिल ग्राउंड पर क्यों नहीं चल सकता, जब आदमी भी उतना ही करे जितना औरत कर रही है घर पे?
No, I'm feeling jealous, but I'm announcing it and I'm feeling that this is what is happening to me. Let's talk about it.
I can't be Tiger Shroff or Vidyut Jamwal or Jackie
We-
Chan. We are
great.
Nadia Comaneci. 10 out of 10.
Hello everybody, welcome to Midday. I am here with the cast of a new exciting show on Disney Plus Hotstar called Bad Cop. I'm here with Saurav Sachdeva, Harleen Sethi and Gulshan Devaya. Hello everybody, welcome to Midday.
Hello.
you.
Hi,
Hi.
hi, hi. None of you are actually from Bombay, right? Born and brought up?
She is from.
You are.
I am born and brought up here.
Okay, great. I actually have like a. First of all, Gulshan, how long have you been living here?
Since 2008.
Saurav?
2005.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
That's a long time. So, and this show is set in Bombay,
Bombay.
and
Mumbai, yes.
Pune. Your character is in Pune,
Yeah.
right? So, I have some Mumbai slangs that I want you guys to explain the meanings of. Let's do that. Okay.
Okie dokie.
Let's start with something easy. Watt laga dena.
चला.
वाट लगा देना, ऐसा चॉप.
मतलब cut to size.
हाँ, आपको दिखा दूंगी मैं. Yeah.
Right.
तेरी वाट लगा दूंगा, तेरे को दिखाता
तेरे को
हूँ.
दिखाता हूँ. तेरी तो तू तो गया.
ठीक है ठीक. हो गया मतलब मैं
Kali Bhukat.
खाली फोकस
ऐवे
just
ही.
like that. ऐवे पंजाबी. ऐवे. ऐसे just like that हम लोग बोलते हैं बैंगलोर में. Just like that.
Ghanta.
Rubbish.
Mamu bana.
पागल
dena.
बनाना.
I think you say that.
Cheating,
Somebody
cheating.
says that.
मामू
in
बना.
the-
पागल
मामू मत
cheat
बना.
करना.
हाँ.
Yeah, cheating.
पागल मत
cheat
बना.
मत कर.
Deception.
ऐसे, हाँ, deception.
Yes, yes, yes. Return मारने का.
रिटर्न मारने का.
वापस
ये मैंने
आने का.
पहली बार सुना.
रिटर्न आने का.
Oh, return.
रिटर्न मारने का वहाँ से.
हाँ, तो जाके
चलो
वापस
वापस
आइए.
जाओ, वापस नहीं रिटर्न मारने का वहाँ से.
अच्छा, वहाँ से निकल वहाँ
ऐसा
से.
मुझे लगता है. मैं भी
शेंडी लगा देना.
बेवकूफ बनाना.
ओके. ज्यादा शाना मत बोल.
ज्यादा
Smart
स्मार्ट
smart,
Don't
हाँ?
be over smart.
Don't be too smart.
ज्यादा हाँ.
चिंदीगिरी.
कंजूसी
Conjuicy.
माइजर
लोचा हो जाना.
गड़बड़.
गड़बड़
सूमड़ी में निकल लेना.
चुपचाप
Quietly.
से निकल लो.
चाप
You guys are scoring like okay. खोपचे में लेते इसको.
खोपचे में
कॉर्नर पे ले लो.
Corner.
कॉर्नर करो.
Bring him in the-
Okay, last one. खाली फोकट दिमाग का भाजी पला मत.
दिमाग मत खराब कर फालतू
दिमाग
का.
खराब मत. फालतू
That's
में.
I guess
Let's
10
prove it,
on 10 for all of you.
We are 10 on 10.
Awesome,
We are
great.
Nadia Comaneci. 10 out of 10.
In the double role, one person is a good person, the other is bad. And for you, how did you ensure that the two characters are distinctly different?
I changed clothes.
That's
And
it.
my hairstyle. Yeah. That's pretty much what I did. The writing is different. Their circumstances are different. They're twin brothers. So दिखते हैं एक जैसे हैं लेकिन स्वभाव अलग है. उनके circumstances, उनके choices अलग है. So that has taken them in a different direction in their lives. And then good and bad are like again, they're not as black and white, but then they're not as complicated also to understand. I say. So in a very fun, entertaining way, you can say one is good and the other is a चोर. थोड़ा चोर है. दिल का अच्छा है लेकिन है थोड़ा चोर.
I mean, the bond between the brothers is quite evident.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
that's something that you will get to see in the show also. There is a strong connection, even though they are on either side of the fence, but there is a strong connection.
They're called Karan and Arjun. Of course, it always reminds us of the
Same.
The film. The other film that I thought of was actually Salman Khan's Judwa,
Oh.
where you know one is a bhola bhala
Yeah,
guy
yeah.
and the other is a badmash.
नहीं वैसा वाला नहीं है ये. भोले वाले तो है नहीं.
दोनों
Neither
ही
of
नहीं
them,
है.
हाँ.
हाँ,
No,
दोनों ही नहीं है भोले
दोनों
वाले.
भोले वाले नहीं है ना. पुलिस वाला
Okay.
भोला है ना वो दूसरा चोर भला है.
Are you guys bhala? Both of you? Totally? Or do we see?
That's the series about. We
Okay.
have to, viewer has to find out कि अभी
भले हैं या
भला
बुरे.
या भोला.
ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट भले. अब आगे देखो तो पता चले.
From the beginning, of course, it seems like you're this righteous cop who's trying to, you know, find out the killer of his brother. Tell me, what kind of a cop did you want Arif Khan to be? What was the brief to you? What was the tone of the character that you had to catch?
how sharp he is and how meticulous he is, or how well he uses his mind. There is a maths going on in the process. That is what I was when I was reading about the people who do these kind of investigation. तो वो कैसे कैसे ऐसे सोचते हैं. Though we not gone deeper into that, but still I was working from that. Also, I've always worked on the character जिनके relationship strong होते हैं या emotionally connect होते हैं. यहाँ पे relationship के लिए कुछ मेरे पास और लोग ज़्यादा नहीं थे. Only my team जिनके साथ जो मेरे साथ cops हैं उनके साथ. I've not played somebody who's not that fidgety, or I have one in one series, Mumbai Meri Jaan, but otherwise I'm mostly doing something. So that was also challenging for me, ki not doing too much of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Harleen, you're playing a mother as well as a policewoman whose personal life is in a bit of a trouble, and probably the career somewhere is coming in the way, in a way that the husband is not really happy with the position she is in the office. Do you think that's a why does it always happen that a woman has to kind of, it always becomes like a choice between the two, right? When your career goes well, the personal life probably suffers somewhere. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, clearly in this case, her personal life is suffering because not because of the position that she's at, but because of how he takes it.
Right.
So that is exactly why I wanted to play this part, because this is something that we all need to talk about.
Yeah.
That why does it happen that अगर आदमी को वो बढ़ावा मिलता है सेम ऑफिस में तो वो उनका रिलेशनशिप अफेक्ट नहीं करता है, बट अगर लड़की को मिलता है उसी रिलेशनशिप में तो वो अफेक्ट कर सकता है. सो दैट वाज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग दैट वी बोथ गॉट टू एक्सप्लोर.
Generally in life, do you see more supportive husbands, or do you think this is a more prevalent thing that you've seen in your आसपास, people in your life?
I think in my limited circle या जिनको हम जानते हैं, मुझे लगता है चीज़ें बदली हैं.
Right.
And men are more supportive. There are two very good men here that are very, very supportive. The director, everyone on set.
Yeah.
So in our limited circle we see that, but I think India बहुत बड़ा है.
Right.
और मुझे लगता है अब पूरी तरह से उस तरीके से change आने में time है, which is why we need characters and stories like that which talk about this dynamic.
Right.
और इसमें क्या change आना चाहिए और क्यों आना चाहिए.
Right.
क्यों मेल ईगो को वो बात खटकनी चाहिए, क्योंकि औरत आपके लिए उतनी खुश होगी अगर आप उस पोजीशन पे जाओ, तो आप क्यों नहीं हो सकते. और घर दोनों की रजामंदी से बीच में कहीं मिडिल ग्राउंड पर क्यों नहीं चल सकता, जब आदमी भी उतना ही करे जितना औरत कर रही है घर पे. बच्चा भी दोनों का ही है.
Yes. And in the scenes there, she's figuring out what the child would eat for breakfast and stuff. You never see the man involved. Yeah.
You never see that, and also the way he behaves, उसको लगता है हर चीज उसकी ईगो पे लगती है, जबकि she is just passionate about her job.
Yes.
And she's just demanding whatever she's demanding in the office just because of her position there. It's not because वो उसको नीचे दिखाना चाह रही है, but वो लेते उस तरीके से. तो वो I think I hope लोग देखें, अगर वो ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में तो वो बदले, वो थॉट प्रोसेस चेंज हो.
Yeah, I think it's very much something that अलग-अलग लेवल पे, क्योंकि ये कहानी है जो it's catered to be entertaining.
Right.
So it will have a slightly more simplistic and straightforward way of sort of portraying this dynamics, this gender politics. Some other project may go much deeper into it with much more nuance. At least it just brings the attention on something like that. But generally when two people are working in the same household and they are married to each other, and if either one is the boss, and then for some reason you have a different dynamic over there that will spill over into
No, it's not about either one is the boss, right?
No, but it is not a thing. But that anyway creates complications. And on top of that, this whole thing of the
but
male
I
ego.
don't think if if the man of the house is the boss, that doesn't create complications. That is why this is important. Because I don't
sure,
that is
I'm
normal.
supporting it, but I'm just saying that कि वो 100% वो एकदम blanket statement नहीं है ना, कि we are generalizing it also. About men also, when we say men, like I'm myself a man, when I say men, I'm also generalizing it because I'm also supportive of this idea, and I want people to sort of realize how they can deal with this ego that they have. I just say that this kind of a dynamic is anyway complicated. It can affect relationships, because I used to be married to an actor, and sometimes it just and I'm dating her again. So yeah, it does create complications when you're in the same profession. How
Yes, there is a level of competition.
Yeah, it does.
In any case.
उसके
थोड़ा बहुत.
ऊपर this whole conditioning of
Gender.
what it is to be a man and what
Yeah.
that was the point I was trying to sort of.
Yeah, because जब मैं डबिंग पे गई थी तो जो हमारी साउंड इंजीनियर थी वहाँ पर, she told me that she really connected with Devika because she was pretty young, but she still faced it with her own boyfriend. Because boyfriend भी sound engineer था, but she was doing better than him. And she was climbing up the ladder faster and the relationship couldn't survive. So वो इस level पे भी है. ऐसे नहीं कि आप शादी करो तब, तो ये है एक अच्छी चीज़ है कि इस पे attention आ रही है. ऐसे एक मासी शो में जो होपफुली पूरी इंडिया देखेगी.
Exactly.
हर लेवल के लोग देखेंगे.
It's normal to feel jealous. I feel this is human to feel jealous. Just accepting that I'm jealous of this and announcing that to the partner will improve the relationship than holding it and sulking into it. I feel jealousy it's an emotion, a human emotion, and it's not wrong like other emotions are not. We're just trying to make it, no, you should not feel jealous because I'm feeling jealous. But I'm announcing it and I'm feeling that this is what is happening to me. Now let's talk about it. And then that conversation will lead to, okay, why are you feeling jealous? Okay, let's talk about it. No, I love you, but I don't want to show you that I'm jealous, but I'm feeling jealous, and that creates a problem.
That's toxic, right?
And I'm suppressing that feeling, but I feel I can feel anything, and it's not in my hand always that I'm so calculative about human emotion that this time I should feel this and this time I should feel this.
True.
These are rules. We are again making rules about it. I don't know अभी यहाँ पे कोई बात होगी या कुछ गिर जाएगा तो मैं कैसा फील करूँगा, मैं कैसे रूल बनाऊँ उसी टाइम. How will my body react?
Yes.
It's a sum of so many things which has happened to me, and then make rules. वो तो बाद में हम decide करेंगे ना.
Right.
उस time just announcing that I felt scared or I feel jealous or I feel this to your partner will have a greater responsibility. That I take my responsibility, and because you're my partner, I am telling you that I am feeling jealous of your success.
That's a
Will
very
be much
beautiful thing you
more,
said. Very beautiful.
acceptance. There is an acceptance in this, and there is an acceptance in my relationship that you will understand.
Yeah.
Right.
If you don't understand, he says, I don't understand why you're feeling jealous. That's what I'm saying. Okay, you don't understand, and I'm feeling jealous. Let's talk about this now.
I was very jealous that Vicky Kaushal got to do Uri, and I was very jealous of pretty much whatever Rajkumar Rao gets to do. You know, I once told them to their face, "Ki yaar, bahut jealous," and it just really made me feel really better because it just
And
got
the relationship
got out of
becomes
your
better.
system.
Yeah, and they took it so well also,
Yeah,
and they were like, you know, Rajkumar was like, "Yaar, sorry, yaar," and all that. It was cute.
And
So-
especially we as an actor will और भी ज़्यादा हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है क्योंकि हम तो रोज इमोशंस ऊपर नीचे और उनको एक्सेप्ट करना हम ज़्यादा सीखते हैं और करना चाहते हैं कि मैं तो एक्सेप्ट करता हूँ सारे मेरे इमोशन. मेरे को गुस्सा भी आता है, मुझे जेलसी भी होती है, मुझे सेक्सुअल भी होता है, मुझे सैडनेस भी होती है, मैं डिप्रेशन में भी जाता हूँ, मैं हैप्पी भी होता हूँ, मैं सब चीज़ें एक्सेप्ट करना चाहता हूँ. मैं उसको दबा के क्यों जियो. And I feel that will be a better world to live in, where we can share and we can talk about these.
That's why I'm proud to do a character like this and be a part of this dynamic where this can be a mirror
Yeah.
to the society where this conversation can happen. I'm so glad that you said this, that it's normal to feel jealous and competitive and sad कि आपका पार्टनर भी आपसे बेटर कर रहा है, बट इसके बारे में बात करो और इसको सप्रेस मत करो और इसको टॉक्सिक मत बनाओ अपने रिलेशनशिप में.
Right.
You can still work on it and still have a beautiful relationship.
Right.
So which is why this conversation is needed.
Right.
Which is why I feel proud that I got to play a part like this.
I'm glad we had that conversation here.
I'm so glad. This is so amazing.
know,
Thank
I
you.
know.
This is such a nice perspective. Honest.
Right.
Yeah, totally. It was great, very nice.
Moving on, in the 2 episodes that I've seen that you have some amazing action sequences, you know, like flying and everything. How was that? Was that fun?
It was fun, but it was difficult also. I'm not really used to doing action. I
Yes.
don't have the
It's like it's
endless
someone's
physical
control.
capacity to do all these things, and required a little bit of training and some rehearsals to understand how the body moves in the air, how the cables tug you, where it hurts, and how to wear the harness, and how to be comfortable wearing a harness throughout the day.
Oh.
Not
Okay.
possible. I mean, it's not comfortable at all.
It hurts.
Did you get to do some action?
Yeah,
I
she
mean,
did.
you
She
I did, I
She did
did.
quite a bit.
Oh.
Quite a bit.
Oh,
She-
amazing.
she
Sort
did
of?
quite a bit.
Not like them, but I also got hurt doing the small action. Though कांच लग गया, बहुत सारा खून आया. So that happened,
Right.
but not like they're saying.
But
that
Aditya
that's-
also, I think, well, he also, along with the action director, designed those scenes in a way that that would look good on us as well.
Okay.
Yeah. But he wasn't expecting me to be like Tiger Shroff. Because I am
Of
not
course.
Tiger. I can't be Tiger Shroff or Vidyut Jamwal or Jackie Chan.
We like Gulshan Devaiya.
I know, but that's what I'm saying. So there are limitations to it कि मैंने
Right.
action कर लिया तो अभी मुझे ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि हाँ मैं
मैं
action
hero
star
हूँ।
हूँ मैं कर लूँगा. No. I mean those guys are specialists at it.
Right,
They are
right.
extremely good at
Yes,
it. ये मैंने कर लिया वो नहीं होगा मुझसे.
Before we wrap up, anything you want to say to the audience?
Please do.
अब
watch
बोलना
on
पड़ेगा क्या तुम
21st.
लोगों को?
I think we had a lot of fun making it.
I can't believe बोलना पड़ रहा है.
ड्रामा, रोमांस सब है इसमें. तो देखो,
Please
मजे
watch
करो.
it.
How sweet. But thank you so much, guys.
Simply,
Thank
simply.
you.
All the best for the show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy the show.
Yes.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.